Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to change the Nest X Yale Lock batteries or the Nest Yale Smart Lock batteries. So in order to change your batteries, typically they last about 6 months. You're going to use this device that comes in the box with the Nest X Yale Lock, or you can use a paper clip or a bobby pin. And there's a hole in the top of the lock, and all you do is go ahead and put that bobby pin or the tool in there, and it's going to press down on the ledge that you can see here on the top of the cover, and that's going to allow you to remove it. So when this is in there, you press down on that ledge and then kind of pull off, and you're just going to tilt it off because there are two little tabs here that hold it in. So you tilt it off, and then you're just going to take the batteries out of the smart lock here, and you can replace them with some fresh batteries. So you just go ahead, pull each one of these out, and then you can go ahead and go back with some fresh batteries. Now, the batteries typically last about 6 months to a year. I've got rechargeable batteries in there just because for me it's a more environmentally friendly option, as well as it does cost less over the long term to use those rechargeable batteries. Now, you get a little bit less life, and Nest says not to use them, but I haven't had any problems with them, so I'll include a link to those below and a charger. Typically, they last about 6 months, and I've had no issues with that. Now, to put the cover back on for the Nest X Yale Lock when you're changing the batteries, you're going to put it in first with the tabs in the bottom there, fit that right into the lock, and then all you're going to do is slide it in and press forward, and then you've got the cover back on the Nest X Yale Lock, and the batteries have been changed. So if you like this video, go ahead, give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or if you want to support us, click on any of the links below. Thank you.